Your laptop or your PC is like a house with many rooms in it. Different users can occupy different rooms and operate independently without interfering with the content or activities done in any other room. Very quickly, I'll be showing you how to add new user profile in your PC where things can be done differently under each profile account.
You are about to learn from OneTech Space.
Hold down the window key and press R to get the run box. And in the run box, you type NETPLWIZ. Click OK or you press the enter key on the keyboard. The user accounts dialog box comes up, and here you go down to click Add. If you want this user profile to be created with a Microsoft account, then you put in the Microsoft email account you want to use together with the password, of course. But if you want to create this user account without email or password, then you come down here and use sign in without a Microsoft account. Here is to give us highlights of the two different types of signing in, if you want to go with Microsoft account or with local account. Then if you prefer to create this user profile with a Microsoft account, then you will need to click this button. It will require you to put the email, which will be either hotmail.com, microsoft.com or outlook.com. But in the case of this demo in this video, I'll be going with local accounts. Give this user account a username, put the password you want to use and confirm the password, then put the password hint, which will be used to remind you in case you forget your password. But in my case, in this video, I'm not going to use any password at all. I will leave all these empty. Next. Now I have created my new user account. Finish. Back to user account dialog box. Here is the administrator user account, which I am using currently in this device. And here is the new user profile account that I just created. If you want to add more user for any reason, maybe for yourself to do some separate stuff on your device, or you want to actually create a user for another person to use your device, then use this add button to follow the same process which we just finished. Now, selecting a particular user, you will be able to either remove the user you selected up there or view the property for it. I can view this property here. Then I can change what level of access, either to be a standard user or administrator or others. Select your preferred access for the user and click apply, then OK. When you're done with all the activities you want to do here, then you click OK. When you turn off and restart your device, or even maybe when your device is on lock screen, to have access into the device again is going to request which user is going to access this device at this point in time. Here I'm going to switch to this.